Everything I do is driven by risk-taking. If we don't take risks, we don't fail, and when we don't fail, we don't learn. If I am not taking a risk, I'm not doing my job well. My name is Cory Richards. I am a photographer, an explorer. For me, greatness within the work that I do and the work that I put out is any work that has an emotive quality, that makes a viewer feel something, anything. So long as I am invoking a sense of emotion, that is a success. Ultimately, if I was asked what are my greatest achievements, there are moments in time that I could point to. I think being the only American and one of the only people on the planet to climb an 8,000 meter peak in winter is one of them. But more importantly in that is the telling of the story, and that's told in the photograph of me, the portrait of me right after an avalanche that we survived on that climb. It's easy to point to climbing Everest without oxygen as a great achievement. And what makes it a great moment in life is not standing on top, but every single piece that had to be put in place to make that moment possible. That is what greatness is to me. Rolls-Royce occupies a space that I resonate with in terms of perfection, where there is an absolute attention to detail that is unrivaled. There's a willingness to take time in order to create something that is beyond compare, that encourages us to dream, because it occupies that upper echelon of existence in that world that no other car does, right? And in doing so, it inspires us to dream bigger about what we can accomplish. So I was part of the final testing for the cullinan in some of the roughest environments that we could find. Part of it was surprisingly challenging given what I've done for my entire life. Going on expeditions is nothing new. Going on an expedition to literally try to break a car that ultimately ended up being unbreakable was actually more trying than I anticipated.